also had a baby.
Okay.
5 years ago.
Okay.
And I experienced something crazy
After the baby.
postpartum. My God, my hair came out in bunches. I breastfed, so I still took the prenatals. I thought I was sick.
Yeah.
I thought something was really wrong with me. I found out there's postpartum
Alopecia.
alopecia.
Yes. What most women don't understand is that we're on prenatal pills for 9 months. And it has all of these wonderful things in the inside of them. And then even after you breastfed, you stayed on the prenatal pills, but there was no tapering off. You just stopped cold turkey. In any type of, form, we want you to taper off. We don't want you to stop cold turkey. So one of the things we want you to do now to get your hair back on track is to start with our NouriTress Hair Vitamins Plus. It's going to provide you, in particular, with the biotin. Biotin is an actual ingredient that it's a B vitamin that actually thickens the hair and helps the hair grow a little stronger.